This tutorial supplements the reading of the user manuals provided in the packages by presenting the different steps of a CRP test with LabPad Evolution. To begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment. A LabPad Evolution, which should be placed on a flat, stable, vibration-free surface. An unexpired Ksmart CRP test in its individual pouch. The provided buffer tube, a single-use capillary of 10 microliters, a lancet, preferably of gauge 21, the personal protective equipment needed to perform the sampling. Turn on the LabPad, select New Test on the top and then CRP by using the triangular navigation buttons. Open the pouch and take out the Ksmart. Use the lancet to prick the finger of the patient. Then massage the finger gently to obtain capillary blood. Make sure to wipe off the first drop of blood. Collect the second drop. 10 microliters of blood is necessary. Approach the capillary horizontally until it touches the blood drop. The blood must rise to the end of the capillary. Then put the capillary inside the buffer tube and close it. Mix gently up and down until the blood is dissolved in the buffer. This can take 30 seconds. Discard the first drop of the diluted sample, and when putting the 2 drops on the Ksmart, make sure you keep the sample tube in the upright position. Once the diluted sample is fully deposited on the Ksmart, press Continue. Wait before inserting the Ksmart into the LabPad to allow the sample migration. Only insert the Ksmart when the LabPad prompts you to do so. When the Ksmart is inserted, the LabPad starts the measurement. The test time is 2 minutes. When the test is complete, the result is displayed on the screen and the LabPad beeps at regular intervals until the Ksmart is ejected. To dispose of the Ksmart, turn the LabPad face down over a biological waste bin and press the side black button. Do not manually remove a used Ksmart from the insertion slot of the LabPad to avoid damaging its internal mechanics. After the Ksmart ejection, the reader stops beeping, and the display returns to the reverse chronological list of stored results. The last obtained result is located at the top of the list. Use the triangular navigation buttons to scroll through the results list. Press the middle button to access all available information related to the selected result. To go back to the chronological list, press the middle button. The procedure is over and the LabPad is ready for a new test.